In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Haiku AI for free now. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This gives us a quick, reliable way to find the right site without mistyping the address. In the search bar, type Merlin AI. You're looking for the official Merlin website, which typically shows near the top of the results. Click through to the Merlin site. If you see a result that looks like the official homepage with a clean interface and mentions of AI chat features, that's the one you want. Once the site loads, look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. If you already have an account, log in the way you usually do. If you're new, follow the on-screen prompts to get set up. Keep your login details secure and avoid sharing any personal credentials while recording or streaming. After you're on your dashboard, find and click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation window where we can select the model and start prompting. If the chat window shows a default model, don't worry, we'll change it next. Locate the model selector in the chat interface and switch it to Claude Haiku. This is important because Haiku is designed to be fast and efficient, which makes it great for quick answers, brainstorming, and everyday tasks. If you don't immediately see Haiku, try expanding the model list or refreshing the page. Availability can vary by region and account type, so your options may differ, but when Haiku appears, select it. Now, craft your prompt. Be clear, specific, and give context. For example, you might write, "Explain gravity like I'm 5. Use a simple story and fun examples." This kind of prompt tells the model exactly what tone and level you want. You can also include constraints like length or format if needed, but keep it simple for the first try. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. You should see Claude Haiku reply almost instantly. Read through the response, and if you want a revision, try following up with guidance like shorter, more examples, or make it more kid-friendly. You can copy the output, save the chat, or start another one from the same page. If the response seems off, double-check that the model is still set to Haiku and resend. That's it. Go to Google, find Merlin, sign in, start a new chat, switch to Claude Haiku, write a clear prompt, and submit. Enjoy exploring what you can build, learn, and automate with Claude Haiku quickly and, at the time of this recording, at no cost through Merlin.